Ugh, what is a girl supposed to do? I'm so bored. Got it. Makeup time. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia, trying to show you how I got this amazing look by using Kylie Jenner's bronze palette.
So let's get into it. We're going to use Topaz as our transitioning color, our base color, and we're just going to place that under our crease. Yes, just like that, using a back and forth motion and a little bit of circle motion, I guess. And then we're going to dip into our tiger eye and our bronzite, and we're going to place that in our crease. One thing about this palette is that you can mix the colors to create your own desired color. And everything goes well together, basically. I love this palette. I've been having it for over a year. And I know it's like one of her first palettes. Now we're going to go back in with a Morphe brush, a fluffy one, and we're dipping in bronzite and a little bit of Hematite. I think I'm saying the word right. I don't know what that word is, but okay, so we're just going to put the word that starts with the H in the middle of our crease on top of our topaz and tiger eye. And I'm going to slow it down for you so you can see the way that I move my brush. You know, I'm moving it back and forth. And I'm only getting right between where my bone starts, my brow bone. I don't know, what is that? What is that? Your crease bone? Yeah, your crease bone. Right where my crease bone is.
So I'm going back in with bronzite and I'm just applying it right into my crease bone. That's what I call it. And, you know, just blend that out, pull it down to make your shape like an almond. Bring that eye out, yes girl, and look flawless while doing it. Go back into bronzite and keep adding that color. I mean, you can't go dark enough. And let me tell you, girl, this palette is popping. I'm so excited because all the browns are different browns. Like the bronzite is on the dark side, topaz is on the gray side, tiger eye is more of on like the terracotta, and the one I can't say is more on the reddish side. So it's awesome. Making sure both sides are matching. Keep going in with the same color, building that color up to make it darker. And then I'm just going to go in with the darker shade and the orange and blend that above my crease so when I cut it, it will look flawless. And just buff it out, ladies. Sorry for the video. I'm doing it in my bathroom. Just keep buffing it out. So there's no harsh line. Keep applying that color. I don't know why I always apply a lot of color. Now, I forgot to show you the part where I cut my crease, but I'm just applying that orange below my crease line. And I'm just patting it on. Yeah, y'all, I was listening to some Aaliyah. Some old school. And make sure you keep that color underneath the darker color. I'm going back in with a darker shade and I'm just blending it out and making sure that it's flawless and that there's no harsh line. And I didn't like that orange on my darker color, so
Now I'm going in with a crease brush, and I know it's for a crease, but I like to use it on my outer side. And I'm going in with the shade I don't know right now, but I will let you know in the description box. It's the gold. And then I go back in with a darker shade and buff that out. Just make sure they're even. Then I'm going in with all three of those shades, and I'm gonna put that above my crease line to make it flow, blend, I guess. And I put too much, so I wiped some away. And then I'm just gonna go back in with that same three colors and continue to apply it until I like how it looks. Then I'm going in with the Anastasia brush that you get from the palettes, and I'm going in with the two lighter shades at the top just to put it underneath my brow bone. So everything just blends together. And I'm going in with my eyeliner, eyeko. I guess I got that from Ipsy, I believe, or Birchbox, one of those things. And I'm just going to draw my wing out. I start on the outer side and I connect it to where my eyebrow is. And then I just pull it in to make a wing. And that's how easy it is. And I always stop it halfway and then I continue it. Just keep pulling, just keep pulling. And if you make a mistake, don't worry, girl, because we'll clean that all up as I'm gonna show you. Get your concealer and just clean that edge up. And if you do make a mistake, go back in with the eyeliner. And I'm using my Huda Beauty lashes, number 14, I believe. And just putting it down, and I dropped my lash on my face. So just pick it up and put it back. And make sure you press it down. Press that eyelash, falsy eyelash to your lashes. And I didn't put any mascara on. I will put it on after. Yes, girl, let it dry. And now for the mascara. I'm gonna use MAC. And just push it against your falsies. I do not like mascara on the ends of my falsies because I like to keep them for another use. And then I do my bottom lashes. And if you get anything on the bottom, it's okay. We'll take care of that. I don't know what I'm looking at. Oh, I'm getting a Q-tip. Get the Q-tip, put some makeup remover on it, and clean underneath your lashes where any mascara might have got. So just wipe that all up. And sometimes you mess up. Just clean that mess up too. I'm sorry, y'all. This is my kind of second video. But yeah, it wasn't really working out, but I got it. Next, we're gonna go back in with our Anastasia brush, the smaller side, and we're gonna take our dark color and we're gonna put it on the outside
to match with our eyeliner and our dark color on the outside to make it blend. If I'm making any sense. I hope I am. Then we're gonna go back in with their orange and put that right in the middle and along the edge. Kylie created this palette because she's very picky about the browns that are used on her eyes. And I just want to tell you, girl Kylie, thank you, because these browns are amazing. They have no fallout. They're highly pigmented, and they're very buildable. I could like continually put different layers and it would always come out good. But only thing I can say is just be careful when applying the colors because they can turn out muddy. Alright, and here's a finished look. I hope you like it. So guys, if you like my video, please share and comment and subscribe. Hit the buttons. My voice is going out. I don't know what's going on. Hit the buttons and subscribe, okay? Thanks. Love you guys.